What is up, guys? Welcome back to GILL'S Garage. As you can see, I got another project. It is a 1976 Jeep Wagoneer. This thing has been sitting for like 20 years and needs a bunch of work. But thankfully, I think I have some wheels laying around over here that we can throw on this sucker and get it rolled up to the driveway to give it a nice cleaning. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and get right to it. Alrighty guys, now that we got the wheels put on the Jeep, which made a huge difference, we're going to go ahead and grab the farm truck, hook it up to the Jeep, and pull it up to the house and give it a much needed wash and vacuum. So let's get to it. Alrighty guys, as I'm over here washing the Jeep, I noticed that there's a lot of rat dookie inside of it. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is pull the drain plugs from the interior and pull both the front and rear seat out and just wash everything down and get all that nastiness out of there, because I really don't want to bring the car into the garage and end up getting that stuff all over the garage floor. So let's go ahead and get these seats out.
Alrighty guys, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more content like this, or you just want to follow along with the Jeep build, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, throw something down in the comments, and make sure to give this video a like. And without anything else, I will catch you all next time.